Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So in this video we are looking how to see the private keys on your Phantom app. For that, just open the Phantom app and here you need to log in the app by using your password. After entering the app, you can see the account option, or you need to go to the profile option on the top left corner. Just tap on that and go to the edit option. You can see an pencil icon right there. Just tap on that. And here you can see the option show private key. Just tap on the show private key and just enable the I will not share my private key with anyone including Phantom. So after enabling this one, tap on the continue option right there. So this is how we can see the private keys on your Phantom app. So I hope this video was useful for you. So just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.